I'm in love with you, the only one I want, and I can't let you go. Sagi kam chalu, rapumo wakafakoba, limu odilo, lapoke kedi femgako.
Greetings, my prince. My prince. My prince. My prince, what is the matter?
I saw that beautiful maiden again. This time it was so real.
My prince, it is just a mere dream.
This is not a mere dream. I know what I am saying.
If what you're saying is true, then why is she not here? Why haven't you seen that maiden anywhere in this kingdom? My prince, that maiden doesn't...
Enough! I am the one having the dream. I know better.
Yes, of course.
Where is this phone?
Yes, sir.
Oh, what use are you in this place? What did I tell you last night?
My lady, you said so many things last night.
Really?
Yes, my lady.
So you didn't remember that I told you that I was going to Miriama to have my bath this morning?
You did? Yes, my lady. I woke you up several times, but you refused waking up. Then you asked me to leave.
Will you shut up? Go and get your miserable self ready. Get prepared. We are going to the palace to see the prince.
Yes, my lady.
Get out! Fool. Ajana waleze. Akulu akalesia. Amalicha dam. Anyanwu toto. Apu na anwu. Okwalu nwoke aka n'obi omesale. My dear, I like words to quantify your beauty. I know. Oh, thank you very much. So, welcome. Tell me, how do I look? Anaju, eh? As beautiful as usual. Oh, Dalo, where are you off to? Nay, I am off to see my Prince Charming. I thought as much. Eh? And that is thoughtful of you. Yes. But Adamo, you see, I don't know why the prince don't want to choose a date for your marriage. Huh? You don't have to worry yourself about that. Go very soon he will. It's just that me, I'm not even ready to go to the palace and leave. I still want to spend more time with you and my father. I understand. I know how you are feeling. I felt the same way when I got married to your father. Yes. And it is a phase every woman has to pass through. Yes.
Hey, but you don't have to worry yourself. Very soon, the prince will come with his people.
Prince gave him none
Oh, now, yeah. Let me get going.
No problem. Please, my regards to him. Oh,
of course I will.
No,
will.
And make sure you come back quick.
No, really, no go.
Adamo! Hey! Lechaba, no nemuroge. Lechaba! And I'm nonsense.
Behold, the most beautiful maiden of Achina Kingdom that gladdens my heart. You look extremely beautiful today.
What is the meaning of this?
You should at least respond to my compliments.
And who told you that I need your compliment? I am beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Even the blind know it. So I do not need your compliment. Please, I have an important place to be.
Judea, I mean well. I love you. I want to be a part of your life. I'm just asking for you to give me a chance to prove to you how much I care about you.
Hey! Well, it's very, very easy to dream big. I understand. But I want you to know that you can never be part of my life. I am betrothed to the prince. And very, very soon we are getting married. Listen, let me warn you. Don't you ever in your miserable life stop me again. Else!
Son, I saw you run out of the palace earlier. What was that about?
I had something I needed to attend to urgently.
Mind telling me?
It is not important, Father.
Long live the king. Greetings, my friend.
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings, my prince.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
How are your parents?
They are just fine. They send their regards. Thank you.
Excuse me, Father.
Obim, is there a problem? Are you not happy to see me? You've been acting so strange since I came. Ogini.
Why will I not be happy to see you? Of course I'm happy to see you. Just that I had a rough day. I have pains all over me.
Pains?
Yes.
What happened? What did you do?
I did not do anything. Never mind.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am fine.
So, Obim, so tell me, when are we getting married?
Very soon.
Very soon. That's what you keep saying. Very soon, very soon. There's no certainty. See, we've been betrothed since birth. We need to just get married and start having our own children. Don't you think so?
We will get married very soon. But I'm not really ready for marriage now. Okay? You should be going home now.
Are you asking me to leave?
Do not get it wrong. I am tired and I need to be left alone. I will talk to you later or come see you.
Nai. Nai, welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome, husband.
Thank you.
So, how did it go?
They bought all the cassava and even paid for the ones that has not been harvested.
Really?
Yes. I assigned Ozo and the boys to help with the harvest.
Are they there? They were there?
Yes, they are all there.
That's good though. That's very nice. I never knew that Amadin people would buy such quantity of this thing from us. They've tried though.
You see, they lost all their lands to Umoka Kingdom after the war between them.
Okay, so we are right.
So hence, they don't even have land enough for farming again. They are relying on us and other villages around us, neighboring villages.
Nice, a pity.
It's a pity, my dear.
It's a pity.
What about Judea?
My husband, she went to the palace to see the prince. I know she'll be on her way.
You see, I'm wondering why it's taken the prince too long to choose a date for their marriage. I don't know why.
We don't know,
I will discuss with the Igwe when I get to the palace.
That would be a nice idea.
Okay.
Very nice idea.
Get me water. What is this?
My lady, what is it?
Mama, what is it? Come here. Come here! What is this? What is this? Uncle, you want to kill me? Man, it's okay. What's going on here? Can you imagine this stupid girl? She served me water with a dirty cup. She wants to kill me. What's your real womb? Why would you do that? My lady, I didn't know that the water was dirty. Can you imagine the nonsense coming out from her mouth? She wants to kill me. Where did you get that from? Stand up from there. You went so. Take that cup away and go and wash it properly. It's okay. It's okay. Just calm down. No, I don't like you getting angry this way. And I never knew you were back. Nay, it's not only the dirty water that is upsetting me. Can you imagine? The prince asked me to leave. That he will come and see me later. Why? Are you having issues? Nay, none that I can remember. I don't know what is wrong with him. And what will make the prince not to be in the right frame of mind? I don't know. I don't even know the reason for his sudden change in behavior. I'm worried. Calm down. You don't have to be. Since the prince said he will come to see you, I'm sure he will come. Oh? You think he will?
Ada?
You're going alone?
No. Olama is already waiting for me at our usual spot.
Oh, okay. Ngwan. Oh.
Okay.
Be very safe, oh.
Okay.
Adora, I've been meaning to ask you a question. What is it? Do you know if your brother has a betrothed?
No, none that I know about. Why do you ask?
I was just asking. I just want to know.
You just want to know.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, hold on. Olama, do you like my brother?
Is that a problem?
Well, no. But I think my brother has someone he loves. Although, I think it's one-sided love.
Oh. So do you have idea who this person is? You know her?
If I were you, that should not be your concern. You should focus on my brother. Who knows? He might look your way.
No.
Long live the king.
Okay, Balagi.
It's a...
You may sit. You are welcome.
Thank you, Igwe. Your Majesty, we had a bountiful harvest this year. And I just deem it fit to bring some farm produce for my future in-law. And Your Majesty.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm very grateful.
Your Majesty.
All this for me?
Oh, more are still coming. More are still coming.
Thank you. Obidike.
Your Majesty.
Take this farm produce to the house.
Nze,
I'm grateful once more.
thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you, Your Majesty. I'm also here, Your Majesty, so that we can deliberate on our children's future. You see, they are of age now. I think it's time for them to get married.
I totally agree with you. Yes, I do. I'm going to have a conversation with my son. And we're going to come up with a suitable date for the marriage.
Oh, that's great. That's great. My daughter will be happy to hear this. She'll be very, very happy.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you. That's the best thing we can do for them.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Ada? Come. Please, sit. I need your help.
You need my help. What kind of help?
Your friend in Judea. I have tried everything possible to make her look my way. But no matter how hard I try, she seems not to even notice I exist. You're her friend, and I want you to help me talk to her. Let her know that I love her and I want to marry her.
Brother, this is a hard task. You know Judea with her troubles. I don't want her disrespect.
You both are very close friends. She cannot be so uptight with you. Please, I just ask you for a simple something. Help me tell her that I love her and I want to marry her. Please.
I have waited for 2 whole days. And he still has not come. He has not even come to check up on me, like he said. He has truly changed. I don't know. But I have this feeling that he's up to no good.
Ada, calm down. Your father has gone to the palace. I know everything will be sorted out.
Yes. Everything will be sorted out. No, I have to go to the palace.
That won't be necessary. Let's allow your father to return and know what he discussed with the king. Oh, because Nugo, calm down. Huh? Let your father come nagi batagudu. Oh?
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
My lady.
Hooray! You spoiled my most expensive bill.
I'm sorry, my lady, it was a mistake.
You never mistake. Do you know how much that bill cost? Don't you know that is a gift from the prince to me? My Prince Charming.
I'm sorry.
Why did you spoil my bill? I'm going to kill you today. I'm going to kill you. Hey! Nya, they sent you to my life to cause me pain. I'm going to kill you.
I'm sorry.
You must die. It's okay. What is okay? Do you know what she has done? Do you know what she did? No matter what she did, hitting her. It's okay. She's going get up. Go under that sun and kneel. You will be dead till nightfall. Get her from this place.
You've beaten her already. Just allow her to.
Hey! Do not tell me how to treat a maid. A maid is a maid. I can treat her anyhow I want. When you get yours, treat her how you want. That's if you will ever get one.
Do not insult me.
What's no insult? I just stated the obvious. Besides, why are you even here?
I came to see you.
See, I am not in the right frame of mind to see anyone. My prince has changed.
Did something happen between you two?
No.
Then you have nothing to worry about. Maybe he has some personal issues to sort out.
Exactly. If he has some personal issues to sort out, he should be discussing it with me and no one else. That's the problem. I am worried.
This is definitely not the right time to talk about my brother.
My prince.
What is it?
She was here.
Who?
The maiden of my dream. She was here.
She was seated next to me. I saw her. My prince, no one is here. I know what I'm saying. She was here.
Obidike,
Your Majesty.
what is happening to my son? He has been behaving weird of recent. I know he keeps things to himself, but I know he reveals most of his secrets to you. Tell me.
Your Majesty, the prince has been having a series of dreams about a particular maiden. And yesterday, he said the maiden visited his chambers.
A maiden?
Yes, Your Majesty. And the prince believes this maiden is real. The worst is that he alone sees this maiden whenever he claims she's around.
Strange maiden. You need to put more eyes on my prince. It's like enemy is somewhere trying to plan something strange. Please be more vigilant on him.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You may leave.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Unze, Your Majesty, I discovered that you excluded the Omambala kingdom
From the invitee in this year's festival. Why did you do that without my permission?
Your Majesty, I'm sorry about that. But inviting the people of Omambala to the festival is out of contest. Have you forgotten what they did to one of our daughters who got married to their prince? That singular ill act is enough to sever ties with them. And that is why I excluded them.
Let's not forget that the people of Omambala Kingdom
played an important role during our peacekeeping process with Amaeze Kingdom.
Exactly. Let not sidelight them because of one wrong act which had been resolved.
Nze, from what everybody have said, you've discovered that they need not to be excluded among the people that are invited. So, invite them. I want this year's festival to be one of its kind.
Your Majesty, it will be done. I will include them.
Greetings, Mbakwe.
Greetings, Ola. I can see you're going to the stream.
Yes, Mbakwe.
Okay. Be very careful and go well, okay?
Thank you, Mbakwe.
Okay.
Gods of our land, all I ask for is that you will make him mine. He's the only man my heart desires.
You needed to see the way I was dancing at the practice. The whole maidens, they were all looking at me. I was just shaking my waist. Shaking my waist. You can dance. And what are you doing here?
I had a body hunt today, so I decided to bring you this to show you how much I love you.
Hey!
Sorry, did I say something funny?
Did I ever tell you that we lack anything in this house? Oh. Now listen, let me remind you. I am the daughter of Juno and the wealthiest man in this kingdom. We sincerely lack nothing in this compound. Inugia.
Judea, I know you lack nothing, but this is I brought this to you out of love and to show you how much I care for you.
Enough! Enough of that rubbish! Now how dare you walk into this compound to utter such nonsense? My daughter does not need love. She doesn't. My daughter is destined to be married into the royal home. You know? For your information, she is betrothed to the prince. And soon, very soon, when I go to, they'll be getting married. So get out. Get out of this compound. And I don't want to see you anywhere around my daughter again.
Hey! And what do you think you're doing? Take that smelly nonsense out of my father's compound. Now! Sebapo! Sebapo!
Can you imagine? Huh? It's even smelling. When you're walking abanabu cable unesi. Eh? Can you imagine? He's looking for who to kill. He has even polluted the atmosphere.
As I was saying.
Brother, you made a big cash today. You're welcome. What was that about? I've never seen him in such mood before. Did something happen? I need to find out.
Your Highness, what is the matter? You've never missed a shot before. If you're feeling tired, maybe you should go and take a rest.
Do not worry yourself. I'll be fine. Let me have it. You're here.
Yes, I'm here.
I knew you were real. I knew it. I knew you were real.
Cut the pretense. Why are you acting like you missed me? You said you were going to come to my house and you never did. Besides, what do you mean by you knew I was real?
Judea, I'm sorry. I have been very busy lately.
Busy doing what exactly? You're acting like you're avoiding me and I demand to know why. No.
I am not avoiding you. I am not. How can I avoid you? I am sorry for everything, okay?
Your action says otherwise.
Okay, listen. What can I do to make you feel better?
You know what I want.
What do you want? Oh, sorry. I know what you want.
Who are you talking to?
Where are you going?
Go home.
You cannot leave me in the middle of the road and ask me to go. My prince, what is going on?
My lady, I think...
You cannot think for me. Shut up!
I'm sorry, my lady.
My prince, my prince.
Your Highness, I'm afraid this is getting out of hand. Whatever it is not ordinary.
Obidike, you mean to tell me you did not see that beautiful maiden?
Not at all.
You did not see that maiden? What she was? Come.
Father, the prince stood me up again.
Tell me, what exactly happened?
I went to see him earlier. He was practicing. He was so excited to see me and we decided to go to our usual private place. On our way there, he just stopped and asked me to leave.
Just like that?
Huh? Just like that, Cindy.
Hey, Ivan. It can't be. Huh? My enemies are at it again. Yes, my enemies are at work. Nai, you have to do something immediately. Let's go. Okay, Dedefa.
Hey, Father, please, you need to do something. I love him so much. I can't even imagine myself staying apart from him. Please.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Come and sit down here. Come and sit down here. Come and sit down.
It's okay.
Stop crying. I will go and see the equal immediately. I will not delay. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. I'm assuring you, everything will be okay. Sorry.
One thing I desire. Okwasogi kamajo Ntetula kikambuno biyo Nararura sogi kamafu Obodiko siyadio Unafuki te love Now me fair Mwa maluma Biati emo bigio Atalugo wani yoma Enene bejalo Sage kam talo Sage kam bonobio Sage kam talo Sage kam nafo Sage kam talo I'm in love with you, the only one I want, and I can't let you go.
Son, what is it that I'm hearing that you are seeing a girl in your dreams?
Father, not just in my dreams. She's everywhere. Honestly, I am seriously worried.
You don't need to be worried about that. It's the mere dream. It's not real. It has a similar thing to do when I married your mother. So it's a mere imagination. Your mind playing tricks on you.
Father, I can feel this. I can feel it. It is real. I know what I am saying.
Well, you have to take off your mind from it and concentrate on Iyono Festival. That's about 2 market days.
I've heard you, Father.
And when the festival is over, we have fixed your marriage with Judea.
Okay, my friend. I forgot to give you the latest gist.
My sister, oh yes.
My mother bought for me a beautiful outfit for tomorrow's festival.
Wait, I don't understand. Can you come again?
I said my mother bought for me a beautiful outfit for tomorrow's festival. And by the time I step out, with my dancing step, and if we go do, hey, the prince will not hesitate to look my way.
Wait, I don't understand. Don't tell me that you're on a mission to seduce the prince tomorrow because you are.
I have always dreamt of being the prince's bride. I am going to give it all for him to look my way.
Hey! What did he say?
Lucas, I'm not again.
Yeah.
Which prince do you intend to seduce?
I beg your pardon. Who are you? What right do you have to ask me that question?
Are you seriously talking to me?
Do you know who I am? Hey! Neku. Who are you? Who are you?
Those children are wicked. I don't want to find my Ogine, are you okay?
Are you having ear problem? I said warm water, not hot. Warm. Come get that to river idiot. Come get that to drink this water.
Yeah, you see, I told you that this girl, she's good for nothing. I'm only reformer. Do you know she literally stayed there? She stood there and watched them beat me. Now she just planned to pour hot water on my leg.
You should try to avoid them. You cannot defend yourself. Try to avoid those. Avoid them. Avoid them if you cannot defend yourself.
And a woman, your uncle, they are jealous of me. better that way. It's better that way.
I think so. Hey, so I wanted to ask, what could be the reason why Judea did not come for the dance practice today?
I wish I know the answer to that. But whatever the reason is, it must be a serious one. Because she told me she's going to come to the dance practice, that she has something to tell the maidens today.
Anyway, it's good she didn't come. At least for the first time in a long while, we had a peaceful practice.
Okay. Oh, did.
Yes.
But I think we should go and see her. At least let's know why she didn't come to the dance practice.
Now?
Yes.
I think I have an errand for my mother. I think you should go alone.
Alamma, I don't want to go alone. Let's go together. Don't worry, we'll not be long.
Let's go. Let's go now. Let's go and check on her.
Try to be avoiding those girls.
Sorry.
Sorry.
It's paining me. Take it easy.
Avoid them. Avoid them. I know the Jifa na banana tia bani imi.
They're jealous of me.
Hey, try to avoid them, because please try to avoid them. Avoid them.
Greetings, Nne.
Greetings, my children.
You are welcome.
I'm fine, Nne. How are your parents?
They are fine. Nne.
No. I'll be inside. Oh, ma'am. Yes. Careful, one. You're welcome. Oh? No. What happened to you?
Baby, it's no longer. I had a minor accident on my way back from the stream.
Accident?
How did it happen? Just forget about the details. Forget how it happened. It has happened is that it has happened.
So sorry. That means you won't be able to dance at the festival tomorrow.
Yes, I won't. And please, I don't want both of you to dance as well. Inugo?
What? But why?
Also, not why. I don't want you to dance is that I don't want you to dance. You're my friend and should be able to do whatever I say. Inugo? But why? Please, I need to go inside and rest. Don't go. Don't dance.
I told you, man. Calm down. I told you, right? Just calm down. You just say nonsense.
I'm leaving here right now. Today, tomorrow.
Oh, wait now. Wait. Didn't you hear the nonsense she said? Huh? Mama, why are you so upset? You should be used to Njideka's antics by now. She's just insecure about herself. As for me, I don't have it in mind to participate in that dance. But I do, Adora. And I'm not changing it for some insecure lunatic. Ola. That's a harsh thing to say about our friend. Are we truly friends? No. Are we truly friends? What kind of friend talk to her friends in such manner? Look, I don't care what she think. I will participate in that dance tomorrow. Yes!
Ola, you need to calm down.
Nai, if you had done what you're supposed to do, the prince would have done the right thing and saved my daughter from the embarrassment she got today. Eh?
I have told you that I discussed with the Igwe, and he assured me that the marriage will be fixed after the festival. What else?
Here. It better be, oh. It better be. Eh? I can no longer stand and watch my daughter go through such humiliation.
Hey, calm down, Mbechi. Everything will be fine.
Praise you.
Anytime you frown your face, you just look ugly.
Greetings, brother.
Ada, you're back.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You came back early today.
Yes. That's because I didn't go hunting today.
Why? What's really going on with you? Listen, I'm your only sibling. You can share with me.
Ada, it is a matter of the heart. And you and I have no control over it.
It's about Judea, right?
Yes. And that reminds me, did you let her talk to her?
No, not yet. She seems to be having some issues with the prince. I don't think this is the best time to talk to her about you.
I see. You know what? Don't talk to her again. I will handle things myself. Yes.
Are you sure about it?
I promise. I will handle it myself.
Greetings, Your Majesty. What is on with the prince?
Your Majesty, the prince is still in bed. He says he's not going for the festival.
What? Where is he now?
In his hut, Your Majesty.
He's hot?
Yes, Your Majesty.
You may leave.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
My prince, what is going on with you?
Father, I do not think I'm going to attend that festival.
What? Iona Festival is a festival that we celebrate every 2 seasons. And as the prince of this kingdom, you are expected to be there. In fact, your presence will add value to that celebration.
But Father,
this is the tradition. And you can't change our tradition. You just have to be there. You don't have to be absent.
I'm sorry, my lady.
Ure,
It was a mistake, my lady. I'm sorry.
why do you do the most stupid things with the hope to apologize and be forgiven?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my lady.
You spoiled my gift.
Okay, what is it again?
Can you imagine the beat that the prince gifted me at the last Ekwawa season in there? This Ekwensu, she spoiled it. What? You're such a bad luck. I'm sorry. You have to spoil this precious bead on a day like this.
Please, I'm sorry.
I wanted to wait. I wanted my Prince Charming to see how beautiful it fits. And this, she read it.
You must wear it. And she has to fix it. Pick it up and start fixing it now. First thing before Molu. Are you an enemy of progress?
Nah, I'm heartbroken.
She will fix it.
I am heartbroken.
Father, I am ready.
Achina, kwenu! 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 Achina, kwezu onwe! Today is a great day for us all. Iyona Festival is the day we celebrate and honor Ineyi for her blessings and protection upon Achina Kingdom. Without much ado, on behalf of the Igwe, we declare this festival open.
Please wait. Wait. Listen. The rhythm of your dance moves elevated my heart.
And I will lose my mind if I do not get to know you more and where you come from.
If I may ask, what would the prince want to know about an ordinary maiden?
Everything. Your name and the clan you come from.
My name is Masinachi.
Masinachi. I must say that your parents gave you a beautiful name.
Thank you, my friend.
You are an epitome of beauty.
Thank you.
So, what clan are you from?
I'll tell you about that when next we meet.
Where am I going to meet you again? Go ahead.
You know where to meet me.
But I do not know where to meet you. Please tell me. Masinachi. The tree. Yes. The tree. I know where to meet her.
What was the meaning of what you did back there?
I do not know what you're talking about. What did I do?
You left me and ran after a maiden. Who is she?
It is not what you think.
And how do you know what I think? You shamelessly left me and ran after a maiden. And everyone kept laughing at me. What is wrong with you?
Watch your words. Be mindful of your words. Please. In fact, I cannot stand here and watch you speak to me in this manner. I am done with this discussion.
And where do you think you're going? Come back here!
Jide. What is the matter? Why are you crying?
How is it your business?
Jide, it is my business. I can't bear to see you cry. Tell me what the problem is and I promise to fix it.
You can fix it.
I would do anything to make you happy. Anything to make you happy. What is the problem? What is the problem?
My lady! My lady!
Did you guys notice the look on Njideka's face the moment that maiden danced in gracefully?
That maiden danced so beautifully. She can dance.
Yes, you.
Do you know that she danced to a spot that, like, I became jealous?
Well, it doesn't matter if she danced better than anyone. My happiness is that I caught the attention of the man after my heart. I saw him smiling at me.
Ezioku. But if I may ask, who could that be?
Jacob. It's a secret for now. You all will know at the right time.
Secret. Lover girl. By the way, Adora, you've been so quiet. Since we started discussing, you've not said anything. What is it? Is anything the problem?
There is something strange about that maiden. Ezioku. I mean, I've not seen her anywhere in this kingdom.
I've not seen her.
Well, I do not know her too. But Achina is a very big kingdom.
Very big.
Like I am. But my joy is she came at the right time to put that arrogant Njideka in her place.
Exactly.
Hey,
I enjoyed that.
It's okay. I think it's time.
My God.
You're leaving us?
Eh, it's my body. Oh,
I don't know if you're leaving my mouth. I want to now water. What's saying?
The festival was so interesting. I enjoyed it.
Is that the maiden you told me you've been seeing in dreams?
Yes, Father. You saw how she beautifully danced in today. I knew she was real. I had a conversation with her and she told me her name is Immerse.
From which clan?
That she did not say, but I intend to know more about her.
Why that? Have you forgotten you are betrothed to Judea? And I already told the father that we are going to fix the marriage after the festival. You better channel your energy on how to get married to Judea and forget about one dream maiden from nowhere.
Father, can we not talk about marriage for now, please?
I'll give you my word to Mr. Z, and I can't change it.
I will break my chair.
What happened to your face?
It's nothing serious. I had an accident on my way coming back from the village square.
An accident? How did it happen?
Don't talk Emma to Nanaka, no, eh?
Sorry. Sorry. I hope you're not hurt badly.
It's just a minor injury.
This is not minor. Just look at his face. What kind of accident give you this serious injury on your face?
Stop panicking.
Hold on, look at this injury.
We should be glad that the injury is not severe.
No, but it looks severe. It's as if someone hit him on his face.
Ada, you should be looking for solution and not Ada eh?
I think I know a herb that you can apply on it.
Yeah.
Yes, it could help.
Okay, go and get it now.
Please take care of it.
You are breaking it now.
Ada, come now.
Mother, I cannot take it anymore. He's drifting away from me. He left me at the festival to be with a strange maiden.
Which strange maiden would dare come close to the prince? Huh?
I don't even know her. I've never seen her anywhere in this kingdom. You saw how she danced in and took the attention of everyone. But I think she's up for no good.
It's okay. Huh? It's okay, stop crying. Huh? Don't worry. Huh? I will make sure I find out whose daughter she is, and put her in her place. Let me go. She doesn't watch your kids. There's no amber, no.
It'll be fine.
All on our phone. Ola, thank you so much. I really appreciate your kind gesture. Thank you, Dalu.
It's nothing. I couldn't bear to see such injury in your face.
Try.
So I did what is right.
No. I will forever remain grateful for this. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Ada, I will take my leave now.
Okay. Let me see you off.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, just take this. Yes. I should
Bamba,
later.
It's
okay.
Alright. Let me see you off.
Alright.
I'm happy.
Hey, I can call. Only trying to help.
Hey!
So just throw this one away. Can't afford to so.
Man, to fear. I won't throw it away. I will use it on you later. Because I want that use to heal very fast.
Hey.
So, what do you think about my friend? Ola.
What do you mean by what do I think about your friend?
I mean, she's she's likable.
Ada. Yes, she is. And
she's also a very good girl.
That means you're beginning to see the same thing I'm seeing.
Your Highness, no one is here. I suggest we move back to the palace at once.
I knew you would come. We have been here several times. Same spot.
Yes, my friends. The moments we spent together were the best moments ever in my heart.
That means we are meant for each other. We are destined to be together. I have this unquenchable feeling I cannot explain.
Same here. I've never felt this way for any man.
Can you please tell me everything about you? All I need to know. Go ahead.
Nai, you cannot sit and watch a strange maiden come out from nowhere to take away the praise from our daughter. Eh? Mama. Eh?
There's nothing like that. Huh? Why are you worrying yourself? I've assured you, I discussed with the king. And he said the marriage will happen soon.
Soon?
Yes.
Nai, soon. That's what you have been saying, Nai. Eh? What happened with the strange maiden that is in the picture? What will not happen?
The marriage will happen, of course.
Nai, you're taking away from water. You're not getting this thing. Eh? Nai, I suggest we look for this strange maiden and take her out of the way.
Why should I do that? Because she danced better than every other maiden? No. Stop worrying yourself, Uwechi. Whether they like it or not, the marriage will happen very soon.
It's alright.
Hey.
If you say so. It's okay.
Calm down, eh? Yeah? Are you happy now?
I called you both here because there's something I would love you to do for me.
What could that be?
You remember the strange maiden that danced during the festival?
Oh, the maiden that caught the prince's attention? Not just the prince, but everyone's attention.
Good. If that's how you both want to put it, fine. I need you both to find out everything about her. Her clan, parents, virtually everything.
I don't think I can do that. After all,
Of course you will. I give you more than life. If not, she would have been dead by now.
May the God forbid it.
My mother will never die.
I gave her life. If not for the calories that I gave her, she would have died. The clothes you wear are mine. If not for the clothes that I give you, you would have been walking around naked in this village. And you, not to mention the favors that I've done for you. It's time for you both to pay me back. And you cannot say no.
your love. One thing I desire, Papa so big and matter. Tatula, so become nafu. Nobody goes see you. Una forget your love. No man.
Igwe, like we discussed earlier, to fix our children's marriage once the festival is over, has the prince chosen a date?
I tried to have a conversation with him, but he's confused.
Why?
He seems to be distracted by the maiden that danced at the festival.
The same maiden my daughter complained about. My king, we have come a long way. And our children are betrothed to each other since they were little. The prince should know that he has a woman in his life. And such, he should not allow any other person to distract him.
Nza, I know about that. Please, give me more time to talk to him. And I will sort things out. I'll get back to you. Please indulge yourself in patience while I do that.
Okay, we want the best for our children.
You're welcome. No.
Darling.
You look worried. Is anything the matter?
I saw something strange earlier today. And it has kept me wondering.
What is it?
Judea claims to be betrothed to the prince. But I saw the prince earlier today with the strange maiden holding hands. And from what I saw, they look rather too close.
Where did you see them?
At the Abapo farm, close to River. Ada! Adora!
Adora! Why are you running? Who is after you? I'm here to give Judea an important news. What could I do? My brother, he said he saw the prince and the strange maiden. They were holding hands. What? Where? How? Prince, strange maiden. Now about. Are you sure your brother saw them here? Yes, he said he saw them. Here? Yes. We literally searched everywhere and they're not even here. There is no sign. I think maybe they've left. You know he saw them earlier. Are you insane? You should have been sure before coming to call me. I just did that a favor. Ha! Judea.
Brother, you're here.
Yes, I'm here. I can see you are in a deep thought. Why do you concentrate your mind on a thing that will never be?
I do not understand what you're talking about.
It's about the strange maiden that danced at the festival. I want you to concentrate your attention on the marriage for Judea that comes up in 8 market days.
8 market what? This is my marriage you're talking about. I should be allowed to choose a date for myself.
I gave you all the time in the whole world, but you could not utilize it. Remember, I'm not growing younger any day. I want to see my grandchildren.
Father, I need a little more time. I need time.
I gave you all the time, but you couldn't utilize it. As for the preparation, don't bother. I'll take care of everything. All you need to do is to clear your mind and get prepared to bring your wife home.
Come out and face me! Come out and face me! Fine. Since you want to continue hiding, you must continue. If I see you anywhere close to my man, I will devour you! Thanks goodness that I saw you. I was headed to the palace. So where are you headed without your guard?
Okay, I wanted to take a walk, so I asked him not to come along.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I think you're lying. But it's fine. If truly you want to take a walk, why don't we have a walk together? It's been long we spent time together.
You're right.
Shall we?
Yes.
No! This way.
Okay. So,
Did you miss me?
yes, I need something like you.
It's a lover. One thing I desire, Opasogi Kamajo, Tatula Kikambunovio, Narara Sogi Kamnafu, Obodiko Siadio, Unafuki to love, no mammy fair, Mwamaluma, Diatiamo Bigio, Atalugo Wanioma, and then a bejalo, Sagikam Tolo, Sagikam Tolo, Sagikam Tolo, Sagikam Bonobio, Sagikam Tolo, Sagikam Navo, Sagikam Tolo. I'm in love with you, the only one I want, and I can't let you go. Sagikam Tolo, Rapomo, Wakafakoba, Nemo Adino Bimo, Rapoke Kedi Fengako, Kedi Fengako. This love is forever, forever together. If it not be you, I not go marry. It's a love, baby. No, baby. It's a love, baby. It's a love, baby. It's a love, baby. I'm ready to do anything for you, 'cause only you are the sea.
What an endless search. Nobody seems to know where this maiden is from.
This is strange. How can the entire kingdom not know where this girl lives? Or her clan?
It baffles me. I think she's not from this kingdom. It could be that she's from our neighboring kingdom.
Ola, you're right. Remember at the festival, the way she dressed seemed very different from everyone.
Exactly.
She's not from this kingdom.
So what do we do now? Because I can't keep going all the way out of this village just in search of some strange maiden just to please Judea.
We'll tell her we could not find her.
Just that. You know Judea had troubles, so I don't have strength for her.
Don't worry, I'll think of something. I'm tired. I can't go out again.
Greetings, Zimbabwe. You're welcome, brother.
Greetings to you too, Alama. How have you been?
I'm fine. I can see your injury has healed.
Oh, thanks to you. Actually, I wanted to give Adora this to bring to you, but since you're here, you should have it.
For me?
Yes. It's just my little way of saying thank you for the other day.
No, this is too much. I can't accept it.
No, you should. You deserve more. And don't say no to my first gift to you. Please. I will let you go to be. I will be inside.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Someone has finally got my attention.
You think so?
I know so. Did you see the way he was just looking at you? I'm happy for you. Look at you.
So that you have this.
Push me down to yourself.
Of course you did not do anything wrong. Why do you ask?
Because of the way you've been treating me lately, I just feel I'm with a different person. This is not the Achebe that I used to know.
Well, my name is Prince Achebe, and nothing has changed.
I'm not talking about a change in your personality. I'm talking about you. You used to cherish all the moments that we spent together, but not anymore. It just feels like I'm with a different person now.
Listen to me. I am sorry I made you feel that way. Okay, believe me when I say that everything is fine. You have nothing to worry yourself about.
Are you sure?
I am very sure. I have to head back to the palace. I'll talk to you later, okay?
I'm in love with you, the only one I want, and I can't let you go. Sagi kem chalo, rapumu wakafakoba, limu odino bimo, rapuke kedi fengako, This love is forever, forever together. If it not be you, I not go marry. It's a love that made me fail. No, made me fail. It's a love that made me fail. It's a love that made me fail. It's a love.
Obidike! Obidike!
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Why are you sleeping at this hour of the day?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Where is the prince?
He's inside his house.
Go inside and call him for me.
Your Majesty, he's not inside.
Where is he?
I don't know, Your Majesty. He did not tell me before leaving.
He must have left when you were asleep.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I think I know where he might be. So let me go in search of him at once.
You better do.
Wait.
Dike, who is after you?
No one. Please, have you seen the prince?
No, is there any problem? And you're running like this. There must be a problem. There must be a problem. There's no way.
You kept me waiting.
I am sorry. Something came up on my way. I had to take care of it.
You mean Njideka? I heard you two were betrothed.
I see. You have met each other, right?
No. I live in this kingdom. I hear things. Why didn't you tell me about it?
We just met and getting to know each other. I was waiting for the right time to tell you.
So, what's your plan with me? Why do you want to know more about me when you already have a leading for you?
Listen, Ma. There is something about you. Your aura, your personality has consumed me. And by the gods, if you give me a chance, I will marry you.
You will marry me?
Yes.
What about Njideka?
I know I like her, but I have never felt like this for any woman. The feeling with you is magical. Listen, believe me when I say that if you give me a chance, I will make you my wife.
I feel the same way too.
So tell me, from which clan are you? And who are your parents?
I'm from the Czech clan, and my parents are late.
Oh, I am sorry about that.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. The king demands your presence at the palace at once.
Can you not see that I'm busy? go back and tell the king I'll be with him soon.
I'm sorry to disagree with you, but the king has ordered me to come with you at once.
And I said...
My friends, I think you should go with him. Don't keep your father waiting.
Alright. I will see you at sunrise tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm in love with you, the only one I want, and I can't let you go.
What has come
from?
Why stoop so low to a maiden? A strange maiden that is not betrothed to you.
Father, she's not just a maiden. She's the woman my heart wants. I've thought about it over and over, and I am convinced she is the woman my heart really wants.
Really?
Yes.
What of Judea?
What I feel for her is out of pity. I do not truly love her. And I cannot marry her out of pity either. So it is better we end it now. I just need you to understand me, Father, please.
Listen to me and listen very well. I, Igor Ochere, do not go back on his words. You are going to marry Judea, and that is final. You may leave.
The king has finally chosen a date for your marriage with the prince. You are getting married in 4 market days.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nam. This is the best news I've had in my life.
Of course.
May the gods be praised. Huh? I am glad that the prince has finally come to his senses.
Yes. Of course he has.
Hey.
He has. You know, I told both of you that there's no need for you to worry yourself for nothing. Everything will be fine.
Yeah, you are right. You are right. I worried myself over nothing. We need to go and start preparing. Yes. Because my daughter's marriage will be the best in this kingdom.
You can say that again. Of course, it's a royal wedding.
I'm so happy.
Thank you so much for making my beautiful dream a reality. May the gods bless you.
You know, I love you so much.
Yes, now.
I even love you more than your mother.
Mama, don't mind you, please.
As my only child, I want the best thing in life for you. You deserve the very best. Anything that is tagged best is for you.
Papa, thank you so much.
I love you.
I cannot believe this.
Jide, I do not know how you will take this one. But trust me, we did our best though. We tried our best. Yes. We searched for her everywhere. We were going from one place to another, even in the bush. So we could not find her.
Wait, are you both talking about the strange girl? Nebiko, forget about her. She's a loser. The other day I ran into her. You needed to see the way she took to her feet. She couldn't even stand me.
So you mean you are no longer interested in finding her?
Yes, I'm not. I have better things to focus my time and energy on.
And what are those?
Hey! So Nemaro, I am getting married to the prince in the next 4 market days.
Hey!
Congratulations! Thank you, my friends. Thank you, my friends.
Of course, we'll be the maidens that will dance you out.
Oh, no. You need to see the preparations my parents are making. Info. Hey, it is going to be the talk of the whole village, even beyond.
I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy.
You look worried. What's the matter?
My father insists I must get married to Judea in 4 market days.
Would you rather disobey your father?
I do not want to disobey him. And I do not want to lose you either. I am terribly confused.
Look, I understand how you feel. That's why I would like you to do something for me.
What is it?
On the day of your marriage, at sunrise, I want you to meet me here. I want to take you somewhere. I want to take you to where I live.
Why not take me there now? I really want to know everything about you. Please.
You will. I promise. You will.
Very sweet.
I know you like it. That reminds me. Have you heard in Judea? She's getting married to the prince in 4 market days. Oh, finally.
Ada, can you stop talking and allow me?
I was just trying to...
Trying to do what? Adora, henceforth, I don't want to hear anything concerning that maiden in Judea.
I beg you, this.
Thank you. I have lost my appetite.
Hey, I'm sorry. Hey, did I say anything wrong? Oh.
Adam. Yeah?
Are you still on this? So,
Huh?
I'm almost done.
Ne, I told you this girl, she's so sluggish. Mama maybe swear, but don't worry. When I get married to the prince, you will not even smell that palace. You just go back to where you belong. Moses, stop!
Can't take this person to the palace. You won't even go with her to the palace. Eh? My friend, go and finish up with other things.
Yes. Get me water. Hey. What's your name?
Oh,
Assam. This place look beautiful.
hey. Oh, I'm on a chum.
Your Highness.
Obidike.
Take this to Ahmad.
Tell him to adjust the neck. He should fix it. Then you bring it back immediately.
Alright, Your Highness. I'll be back.
So finally, Judea is getting married to the prince. She has gotten what she wanted. But I think it's time to move on. What is the prince doing here? Today is supposed to be his traditional marriage.
My prince. My prince. My prince, are you in there?
He's not inside. But I saw them walk towards this direction. Why is my eyes playing tricks on me?
The prince is not here. Where could he possibly be?
Obidike,
Your Majesty.
what is Prince my son? I hope he is doing it.
Your Majesty. Earlier today, the prince sent me on an errand. Returning back to the hut, I met his absence. And I have searched virtually everywhere he could possibly be. I couldn't find him.
In other words, what we are saying is that the prince is missing.
Ah, may the gods forbid. May the gods forbid that.
God forbid, the prince never or even actually why.
May the gods forbid. My prince cannot be missing. You go back and search again. He can't be missing.
Your Majesty. I have searched everywhere. I can't find him.
You go back and search again for my prince. He can't be missing.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Please, Your Highness, yes, just calm down. The prince must be right.
I'm your daughter.
Asam, but today is today. The next queen of this kingdom.
Hey, you can say that again. Nagazi.
Greetings in me.
I presume the prince sent you. Sorry to disappoint you. Please go back, go and tell him that the groom is not supposed to see the bride before the ceremony.
Actually, I'm here to ask about the prince's whereabouts. Did he come here?
Prince's whereabouts? I don't get it. What are you saying? Are you not supposed to be his guard? Anyway, as you can see, he's not here. He didn't come here.
The prince is nowhere to be found. I have searched for him, but no sign of him.
No! No, Nay, you cannot do this to me. Nay, I am very sure he's with that strange maiden. He wants to embarrass me. He wants to make me a laughingstock in this village. Nay, please, you must find him, please.
No, the prince cannot be missing. No, he can't be missing. He should be somewhere around the village.
Yes. Yes.
Please, continue searching for him. Go and search for him.
Are you joking? Please, no.
I'll continue the search.
Are you sure I should not follow him?
Go.
What are we going to do?
Calm down.
He
will find him. Calm down.
He's a shame. Let's go. Hey, my prince.
With all due respect, you cannot tell me that you are not aware of Prince's whereabouts. If this is a ploy to humiliate my daughter, it will not fly. I won't take it.
Zokadibo, I know you are wealthy, but remember, I remain the king of my kingdom. I am worried that my son has disappeared, and you are here accusing me.
That's because you left me with no choice. How can a full-grown man suddenly disappear from this palace without anyone aiding him? Someone in this palace knows his whereabouts. I'm very sure of that.
We have been going on about this the whole day. It's sunset and the prince is not back. If I may suggest, let us consult Ajali, the eyes of the cause. He alone can help us in this problem.
Igwe, I agree with Ichiakachi. We should summon Ajali at once.
If you say so, I agree.
A toad does not run in the daytime in vain. What I see is not clear. It all points towards Judea.
In Judea, my daughter? How do you mean, Ajali?
Like I said, it is not clear yet. But Judea is the cause of the prince's disappearance.
Have you heard him? Zokadibo, have you heard him? What has your daughter done to my son?
Conspiracy. I can see that you have conspired against me and my family. Oh, is that Njideka loves the prince more than her life? She cannot harm him at all. I cannot sit here and allow you humiliate me. I will not take it.
Ajali, this message came without clarity. Go back and consult the gods and come back and give us a better clarity on this.
His Majesty, I shall go and come back in 2 market days. Then I will be able to give you the answers you seek.
Majesty, shall we everything?
Where are you people up to? You're going to Judeka's house, of course. Yay!
So does it mean you guys have not heard?
Heard about what?
So you mean you have not heard?
Heard what? Can you please stop? You're wasting our time.
Okay.
The prince has gone missing.
What?
The marriage between the prince and Njideka will no longer hold.
Bam.
What did you say? Are you
joking?
Go home. This is bad.
Go home.
Are you sure this is true? This cannot be.
No. My dear friends, this is the truth. The gas has been looking for him, yet he's nowhere to be found. So now, this way.
Hey,
this is bad. Honestly, okay, this side.
Hey, Njideka must be feeling very bad.
That sounds her right. I do not care how she feels.
Bam.
Isioma.
This
is harsh. I know Njideka can be annoying sometimes, but show some concern.
Olama, whatever I say comes from my heart. She deserves what she got.
So now, Look at guys about bye.
Hey, Ola, this is really bad. What do you do now? I think we should go to her house.
No, let's go back home. You see, with this type of ordeal, Judea and her family will not want to see any visitor.
Hey.
Yes, let's go back home. Come, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
It's been 2 market days now. And yet, the prince is not back. And the king is not saying anything about it. I have decided to take this up. And I'm going to resolve it my own way. That's what...
Greetings tonight.
Yes. Why are you here?
The king has ordered me to come with Judea to the palace at once.
Go and tell the king. My daughter has no hand in the prince's disappearance. She's not going anywhere with you.
I cannot disobey the king's order, so she must come with me to the palace.
I am her father. And I decide if she will go with you and not.
Nai, please. Please, Nai. Please. Nai. Disobeying the king's order will be a taboo. Let her go. Or better still, we can go with her. Piku. I am innocent. I have nothing to be afraid of. I will go with him to the palace.
You are not going anywhere.
Nai, please.
She is not going anywhere.
I summoned you people here because Ajale has something to tell us. Ajale, you may proceed.
Njideka, you have offended someone that has become powerful and seeks revenge on you.
What are you doing here?
Can you give me some carrots so I can purchase some herbs for Judea?
What see? I should give you some cowries to purchase some herbs. Eh? Ne, come and take. Come. Come. Nyara. When you bury them, stupid girl. Will you go and get me some fruits? And before, stand up from that place.
You're welcome, Your Highness.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Where is she? Oh, here she comes.
And what are you doing there? Smiling like a fool.
I'm sorry, my lady. I was about coming to call you.
Get lost.
That was harsh. Yes. I have watched you scold her several times. She is your maid. You should learn to treat her better and...
Thanks goodness you said she's my maid. And I have the right to treat her anyhow I wish.
She is your maid and also human. All I am saying is that you should learn to treat her well so that she does not feel less of herself. Please.
Are you here to talk about my maid? Or are you here to see me?
Why would you say a thing like that? Of course you know why I'm here.
Because you've been
talking about her, and he can't help me but think.
Get that thought off your head. Alright, I'm here to see you. Come here. How are you?
I'm fine. I miss you. Come and see. I miss you. My friends. Low life. I'm not Pam. So because we saved you from your slave masters, you think you can take what belongs to me? Eh?
What did I do wrong, my lady?
You're asking me what I did wrong. You're still asking me. Hey, Fulagi, by the time I am done with you, you will not smile at any man. I'm Mafia. Will you get out from this place? I want you to leave and never return. I do not need your services anymore. Get out!
Please, my lady, do not send me away. Please, do not send me away. I don't have anywhere to go to. Please.
Jose, you do not have anywhere to go to. Do I look like I care? Do I look like I care about what you're saying? Now, I want to see how you will use this your face to smile to any man. Will you get out from this place?
Please don't send me away, my lady.
You want me to push you?
Please don't send me away. I don't have anywhere to go to. Please don't send me away.
Listen, by the time I go into this hut and come out, and you're still here, Maggie, I will do an unimaginable thing to you. Get out!
My lady, please. I don't have anywhere to go to. My lady, please. My lady. What's wrong did I ever do to you? I never had any ill intentions towards the prince. It was just a harmless smile. And you choose to disfigure my face. How do I live with such ugly face? Njideka, for accusing me wrongly and disfiguring my face, you shall never have the prince. You shall never be happy with him. As the one in me, gods of the universe, accept my plea. How do I live with such ugly face? I just have to end it here.
Do not be afraid, my daughter. I am here to help you. Tell me what you want. I shall grant you.
I don't want the prince to get married to Njideka. I want to get my revenge on Njideka.
Are you willing to do whatever it takes?
Yes, I am willing to do whatever it takes to get back at her.
That strange, beautiful maiden is her maid, Masinachi. She is the one that took the prince away.
How? Where can I find the maiden and my son?
The spirit behind the strange maiden is a very strong filial spirit. And the only way the prince can come back is for you to call off the marriage between the prince and Njideka.
Hey! What? That is not possible. They have been betrothed to themselves for decades.
Yes.
Decades! No, Igwe.
Nze, I'm sorry to say this. You didn't raise your daughter well. If you did, we won't be in this situation. I will call off that marriage if that's the only way my son can come back. As the king of Achina Kingdom, I hereby nullify the pro-marriage proposal between my son, Prince Achebe, and Judea.
Igwe, please. Igwe, it's not possible. Igwe, please. Reconsider your stand.
Igwe! You will not do anything like this. You will not try. You will not do it. Igwe!
Igwe,
remember how long we've been coming. Igwe! Please. You have to consider.
Yes. Igwe, bye, Igwe.
His Majesty, I will go and prepare for further rituals at the riverbank.
Ajali, you may proceed.
Father.
What is this, Mother?
Igwe, please.
Igwe.
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 Mother, please beg him.
Igwe.
Peace. We have come for. Ajali has come to appease thee, to please release the prince of our kingdom. But Igwe has cut off the marriage between Njideka and the prince. Please, the great goddess, please, I beseech thee, please release the prince. Please!
Ajay, I have heard your plea. You may go and await his return.
Thank you so much, the great river goddess. I appreciate.
Go, Ajay.
See, after all I did to make sure our lineage becomes the queen of this land, your daughter ruined it with her bad character. Like mother, like daughter.
No, just come out from there. Don't even go there. Don't go there at all. Okay, now what is it? What is like mother, like daughter? What is like mother, like daughter? Oh, I see. If she had done good, you would have claimed she's her father's daughter. Huh? Because of little mistake, you are now putting the blame on me.
Yes?
Instead of you to accept that we have both failed in our duties as parents. Yes! Parenting is our responsibility. After all, we both gave birth to her. Nano?
I'm beginning to wonder if she is my blood. Huh? Please, you will tell me, where did you get her from?
Now, what do you mean? No, what do you mean by that? Now, have you forgotten so soon? You married me as a virgin. Ever since you married me, I've not cheated on you. What nonsense are you saying? Nai?
Do I know what happened after disvirgining you? Do I know?
Nai, are you being serious here now? Nai, are you trying to accuse me? You know you have failed as a father. You failed my daughter as a father.
No.
Your Majesty, very soon, the chief priest will be delivered.
But the problem is that my son is not yet back.
There he is.
His Majesty.
Ajali, why are you here without my son? You told me if I call off the marriage, my son will be back. Why are you here now without my son?
Patience. His Majesty, the river goddess has accepted the sacrifice. And in no time, the prince will be here.
That is my son. That is my son. The prince of Ajana Kingdom.
Hey!
The true son of his father.
The
Prince of Achina Kingdom.
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, Your Highness.
You are welcome.
The Prince of Achina Kingdom. You are highly welcome.
Greetings, my elders.
You're welcome, my friend.
I am back.
I'm now happy.
Greetings, Ezemo.
You are highly welcome.
Ola, I have been looking for a way to tell you this.
I'm listening.
Olama, I have watched you closely and I have come to realize how sweet you are. Ola, you have a heart of gold. You are beautiful. And you have this charming smile that can make any reasonable man of Achina Kingdom turn around and have another plan. Olama, I have fallen in love with you. And I want you to give me the chance to show you how much I love you.
It feels like a dream come true. You may not know, but I always admire you from afar. Yes. And I am a witness to that. She told me several times, but I discouraged her.
Why? You should have told me.
Because I know who you truly loved.
Not anymore. See, now I have found my one true love. Come here.
I'm happy for you too.
Let her be. Let her be. She doesn't belong here. Happier.
I feel for her.
But when we are no more, that's not normal, Judea. I love you so much.
Do you really want to go?
Yes, my prince. My mission here is accomplished. I have to go back to my abode.
Listen, my marriage with Judea has been cancelled. We can go ahead and marry. I love you, and I wish to make you my wife. Please.
My prince, you seem not to get it. I am a spirit. I'm not from this part of the world. The gods shall bless you with a beautiful maiden. I need to leave, my prince. Farewell.
I'm in love with you, the only one I want, and I can't let you go. Sagi kem chaluo, rapumu wakafakoba, libo adino bimo, rapo kedi femgako, kedi fem.
I lost the prince. Mbakwe and Ola are getting married. My parents fight each other because of me. Ori has left. I am so lonely. No one even wants to associate themselves with me. Maybe I should just end it all.
I'm here to help you achieve that.
I beg you in the name of the gods, don't kill me, please don't kill me. Don't kill me, please, please don't kill me.
I'm in love with you, and I can't let you go. Sagi kem chaluo, rapumo wakafakoba. Limu adino bimo, rapoke kedi fengako, kedi fengako. This love is forever, forever together. If it not be you, I not go marry. It's a love, baby. No, baby. It's a love, baby. It's a love, baby. It's a love, baby. I'm ready to do anything for you, 'cause I know